Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing both Jabra Elite 10 earbuds into the charging case and leaving the lid open. You do this so the device can register a reset command. The case must have enough charge for the process. Once done, make sure Bluetooth on your phone is turned off or the earbuds are disconnected, because a live connection can interrupt reset signals. You're initiating power and connection control first. This prevents partial resets and ensures the headset responds correctly. Now you perform the actual reset sequence. Press and hold both earbud buttons simultaneously for about 10-15 seconds until you see LED activity or hear an audible prompt. You do this because the long press clears paired device memory and returns firmware settings to default. Make sure to maintain steady pressure. Intermittent presses may only power cycle the buds. Once the LEDs flash or you hear the reset tone, release both buttons immediately. This confirms the factory reset command has been accepted. Finish by closing the case for 5 seconds, then reopening to force pairing mode. This helps the earbuds broadcast a fresh Bluetooth signal. You should enable Bluetooth on your phone and select Jabra Elite 10 from available devices to repair. If pairing fails, make sure the case and earbuds are fully charged and repeat the reset sequence exactly. This resolves most issues. If problems persist, reset your phone's Bluetooth cache or try another device, because interference or stored profiles can block successful pairing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.